Welcome once again to the show, guys. Make sure you stay connected to us on Instagram at BronxNetTV, at Foodie Down Bronx, and follow me at the Hungry Dominican. February is Heart Awareness Month. On today's show, our health and wellness correspondent, Mary Vin Rose, visits Freshway Juice Bar to learn more about healthy fruit smoothies. Later on, I chat with nutritionist and chef Emily Schlag to discuss what makes a heart-healthy and romantic Valentine's dinner. But before we get to today's guest, let's dig into some Chew News. To kick off Healthy Heart Month, Montefiore Medical Center held their annual Montefiore Mile event, and BronxNet was there to capture it. Let's take a look.
Montefiore Medical Center kicked off Heart Healthy Month with their annual Montefiore Mile event and some good news on the fight against heart disease.
The prevalence of death due to heart disease is decreasing. In fact, last year, for the first time, heart disease was not anymore the number one cause.
It's the first time in 100 years, shared Dr. Mario Garcia, who is chief of cardiology at the Heart Center, adding that cancer is now number one. This is a huge victory that speaks to the work health experts are doing to continually inform the public on preventative measures and what to look out for to stay clear of this preventable disease.
Factors that lead to heart disease are diabetes, smoking, obesity, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol.
Along with reducing your calorie intake, the answer for many can be right here at Montefiore Medical Center, now opening their lobby to the public for what can be seen as an indoor track. 4 laps here make a mile.
It was lovely. It was lovely. It's an easy walk.
Caroline Wedderburn, who serves patients food each day, says she's already on her feet, and she says the focused attention, though, to exercise is something that's a plus, and she's not alone. Here's Beverly Brown.
I love this because it's good for my heart, and I feel energetic. And it's also go with all my green juices that I drink every morning.
So are you ready for your Montefiore Mile Challenge? That's the question. You are welcome to come here to the Moses campus. They also have 2 additional locations, one at Weiler and at Wakefield. For more information, you can go to montefiore.org/heartmonth. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.
A new study by Penn State revealed that U.S. households waste about 31.9% of their food annually. The total cost of wasted food was estimated to be $240 billion and showed that higher-income households with healthier diets wasted more food versus lower-income households with larger families or those that received SNAP benefits. Researchers pointed out that households with healthier diets included more vegetables, fruits, and perishable items and could partially explain why food waste is higher in those cases. They also found that healthy eating programs may inadvertently be encouraging more food waste. Although the study focused on consumers' large homes, a portion of the food produced in the U.S. never reaches a dinner plate. From harvest to shipment to supermarket distribution, spoilage and waste can occur at any point during the process, which has led companies like Misfits Market and Imperfect Foods to start selling produce that might not appear fresh, but actually is. In order to help with reducing food waste, households are encouraged to use shopping lists or to only buy what they deem the most necessary. All right, folks, that is this week's Chew News, giving you a little food for thought. Foodie Down Bronx will be right back.